Are you getting one of these hydraulic oil filter warning lights? This video is about replacing the hydraulic filter on a Case 580K. I watched a video on YouTube for an older Case 580 and I was surprised to find that the hydraulic filter on the 580K is in a completely different location. So it's up in here. To access the filter, you need to detach the air filter from the intake. There are 4 bolts that hold on the plate, separating the hydraulics from the engine. These 4 bolts need to be removed. Once free, pull the plate and air cleaner up and out of the vehicle. It's easier to access the filter if you raise the bucket all the way up. Close the engine cover first, as the bucket doesn't clear the exhaust stack with the cover open. Lock the safety strut. I put a small bucket on the ground to catch any oil leaking from the filter. I'm using an automotive-style oil filter wrench to loosen the filter. Slide it all the way to the top of the filter. Okay, this is on really, really tight. I bent the filter wrench, so I had to reshape this thing to do it again. This thing was on really tight.
Oh, holy smoke.
There's just enough space to get the old filter out without spilling any oil. The stock replacement filter is $70, but aftermarket filters can be purchased for about $25. Lubricate the seal with a little bit of oil. It took me about 4 turns to get the threads to engage getting this back on. I almost started wondering if the new one wasn't going to go on. Generally, I only screw filters on hand tight, but the tightness of the original filter compelled me to snug this one up a little bit, so I put it a little bit tighter than usual. The bucket on the ground did catch a little bit of oil. Assembly is the reverse of disassembly. Don't forget to close the cover before lowering the bucket, otherwise you will bend over your stack. Don't ask me how I know this. Alright, good luck guys.